Could you believe that this cinematic look was done entirely with my Android phone using just one panel, which is called adjust? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make use of your Capcut to design your video so that your video can look at least nice, even though you are using a POS phone, even though your camera is not bright, but how to color grade your video to make it look nice. Let's go. So guys, on my timeline here is the video that I want to color grade. So I will just scroll my menu bar and tap on adjust. Where is my adjust? You can see adjust here. Adjust has so many tools which can be used to color grade your video. Now let's make use of the basic tools. For me, the first one I'm going to make use of is the brightness tool. This right here. The brightness tool is control how light or how dark your video looks overall. You can see it here, or how light your video look overall. You can see. So if you increase it, it makes it look lighter. But if you decrease it, it makes it look darker. Me, I will take mine to 7. So I increase mine to 7. The next I'm going to make use of is the contrast tool. The contrast tool, this separates the light and darkness area of your video. It separates the light and the darkness area of your video. I can reduce mine to 14. See, I've reduced mine to 14. The next is the saturation. Look at the saturation. These tools here boosts once you reduce it. The intensity of the color in the video. Sometimes when you increase it, it can make it to be vibrant. When you decrease it, it can make it to be dark. For example, look at it. Look at it. See how it has looked. It has changed entirely. If you reduce it, it has changed already. If you increase it, it can make it vibrant. If you reduce it, it can make it black and white. So me, I will just give it 6. I'll give my own 6. You can see. So the next is called the brightness tool. It helps to enhance if you increase the brightness, it makes it look clear and bright. I will decrease it. I will decrease my own. Then the sharpen tools. The next one is the sharpen tools. Just a touch of these sharpen tools can either blow up your video, can make it look nice. So this is the sharpen tools. I'm going to increase it small. For the, which is the highlight tool. This highlight tool is the brightness area, just a light. So you can see I increase mine. Then I think I'm okay with this. We have other tools, right? We have tools like the vintage. This one, if you reduce it like this, you can change the color. You can make one side dark area, so that the video can be on a center look. So this is how you can make use of this. I believe you can now edit your video or color grade your video the normal way that you want it to be, how you want it to look like. because it depends on how you want the video to look like. So I believe this will help a lot. So thank you for watching to the end. Please don't forget to share.